All right, welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Cassara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And today we are going to Greece. One of the wine goals for 2021 was drink more Greek wine. And we're starting with an Assyrtiko from Santorini, which is one of the islands in Greece. This is from the Santo Winery, which was established in 1947. Good year. Happy birthday, Mom. Okay, so Assyrtiko is a white or a grape that produces white wines, and it's a wine that it's a grape that I really like because I find that it can please a lot of palates, so to speak. Right? It can be sort of light enough where it reminds you of a Sauvignon Blanc, but in this case, if there's some oak involved, right, it can also remind you of a Chardonnay. So, it will kind of run the gamut, right? So you have to know what you're getting, but you can almost tell that this wine, being a little darker, is going to have somewhat of a bigger texture. So Assyrtiko, it's a native grape to Greece, mainly in Santorini, I believe, and this wine is 100% Assyrtiko. So let's give it a try. So it's bright and citrusy. It's probably lemons, right? There's a sweetness that kind of comes through. And it sort of smells a little like a Napa Chardonnay, without a ton of oak, or it was one that was made with some restraint. I mean, these wines have a lot of acid, so they're really good with all kinds of food. Naturally, if you think you're in the Greek islands, Greek salad, some grilled fish, maybe some some spanakopita, killer. But this is a wine that's just, what you should do is find as many Assyrtikos as you can this year, and just make it a Greek summer. All Assyrtiko all the time. I like that idea. I might do that. It's about all I got. I appreciate everyone joining. I appreciate the love, the subscriptions, the comments. Hit that like button. At least make me feel good. And I'll see you next time. Cheers.